Ultra emergency for every Kaspa investor. Do this immediately. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris and today we are about to speak for something that you need to have in your mind always, and today is a very great lesson because we are still early. I hope everyone that you are listening and watching this video that you didn't affect from the thing that happened with the crypto exchange that shut down, but this is a very good lesson to everyone who actually holding cryptos, especially Kaspa and Bitcoin, into exchanges, into crypto exchanges, to withdraw immediately their funds and move these funds into a cold storage. Because guys, if you don't have your, for example, Kaspa into your cold storage, your Kaspa is not actually yours. It's belongs to the exchange. So we are about to see that Txbit actually setting down. Okay, it's gonna be temporary close. It's gonna officially close by the September, and you're gonna have only 1 month period to withdraw any kind of fund from that exchange. And this is actually, as I told you, a very great lesson for you. Also in this video we're about to see where is standing Kaspa right now, because guys, I have prepared you for this scenario that we are very close to break this massive support. And if this support is gonna break as it broke, I told you, because also we have a broken support of the RSI, we will experience some slight more pullback. So we are about to speak for all of these things in this video, and if you are interested to know all of these things, and also if you are interested what cold storage I use, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. Before we continue, I would like to clarify you that I'm not financial advisor. Whatever that you are going to see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And also guys, if you are Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder and Kaspa investor, I recommend you to follow my channel, my YouTube channel, because on this YouTube channel I educate you and also I inform you with the latest news of the market around Kaspa. So it's going to be so beneficial for you to be informed and also to be educated. And also do not forget to check my Patreon group, because here you are going to find a Telegram community where you're going to have access to speak with me 24/7. You can ask me absolutely everything on this group. I'm going to be there for you to answer your concerns and your questions. Also, I'm going to inform you with the latest news, for example, with a thing that happened on the Txbit. The first people that I informed was my Patreon members, so it's going to be so beneficial for you. Also, we have multimillionaires and lots of guys with very high experience in the crypto space inside of the group. Simultaneously, you are going to have access to my crypto portfolio to see exactly how I handle my crypto portfolio after all my experience in the crypto space since 2016. And obviously, you will see my buy signals, take profit signals, and sell signals in real time. So if you are interested to build connections, to have fun, to upgrade your knowledge, and also make gains, this Patreon group is for you, and I'm waiting to see you there. Initially, guys, I'm gonna start this video with a price, and then I'm gonna move with what happened with the exchange, and I'm gonna tell you the importance of holding your cryptos into a cold storage. Guys, Kaspa is standing at 0.042 cents. We are still under top 50 coins, ranked 49 today. We are right now standing 859 million market cap. We have 8.20 petahash per second in hash rate, which is quite high if you compare that with the last couple days that we were 5 and 6. And the reason that we saw an increasement on the hash rate is because we saw some arrivals of ASICs, and some miners already use ASICs, which is very great. And I recommend you to go watch my previous video, my yesterday video, because there I'm explaining you how important is the ASICs into our network for our safety and stability of the network, of the Kaspa network. And from the price exactly, right now we are at 0.042 cents, and it seems that we have some more space to get even lower. I have told you my worst case scenario in this current situation is the 0.035 cents, and if this scenario is going to happen, I believe personally it's going to happen with a flash crash. I don't believe that we have lots of probabilities to touch the 3 cents, and if this scenario is going to happen, the dip is going to bought out very rapidly. So The most odds I give to see some consolidation phase at 0.037 cents, 38 cents, at that area as a worst scenario, and then I believe we're gonna move in a consolidation until the next spike, which maybe it's gonna happen in September. Maybe, we don't know. Some people believe because the ASICs are rivals, to see a spike up to 10 cents or 12 cents in the next 3 to 4 weeks. I don't believe that we can spike so high if we won't see any exchange involvement in that current situation. But anyway, this is all hypothetical. Guys, I have told you when we reach the 50 cents, the 0.050 cents, that there is massive probability for a pullback. I have already told you that when we were at 0.035 cents, that we can see a spike up to 0.05 cents or up to 0.055 cents, and then we will experience some slight pullback, and you can clearly see that we broke this massive support of this very upright uptrend movement, and we are getting straight into a very strong support, which is the 0.040 cents, almost clear 40 cents. And if this is gonna break, we may be gonna get into the areas that I told you at 0.035 cents, 38 cents, which I believe we will consolidate. And I have prepared you that because, guys, I was observing this extended period that we were in overbought position for months. So it was obvious to see any healthy correction in the next coming days, as it's happening right now, especially when we broke this massive support of the daily RSI. I told you that if we're gonna break that, we're gonna move straight with some selling pressure to an oversold position, very close to 30 RSI, 35 RSI before the next bounce. So this is maybe the scenario that's happening right now, and I'm happy that I have predicted that a couple weeks ago. And guys, we will see what's going on. If you are interested to know my next buy signal of this current situation, I recommend you to join into my Patreon group, because there I'm gonna actually speak about that. And let's go instant right now to the Txbit. Guys, look at this. Txbit actually before 4 hours announced that it has been a difficult decision, and with a heavy hearts and tears, we announced the closure of Txbit services on September 14th, 2023. We kindly ask all our customers to withdraw their funds before 12 p.m. UTC on September 12th, 14th, 2023. Guys, this exchange will close permanently, and you can clearly see that if you go into the website, you're gonna notice that why they are closing. Also, right now in the login, some people said that they could not log in. I hope that this to be fixed, because people will get into panic. Right now, as I see, maybe you can log in. I recommend you to do that as soon as possible. Do not leave it for the last day, the 13th of September. If you have funds there, immediately withdraw. And I recommend you guys a cold storage. And in the question, Chris, what cold storage are you using? Guys, I use the Tandem wallet, and here you're gonna find that in my description. It's not actually a promotion that I promote the Tandem company. Okay, I use the Tandem wallet because it's the best for me. I don't recommend any other cold storage because I haven't used it. After heavy investigation around the subject, what's the best cold storage for me, I end up choosing the Tadgem over the others. I had a ledger, but after all of these things that happened with the seed phrase, I immediately moved all my funds into Tadgem. Right now I have only Tadgem wallet, all my funds. And guys, if you are interested to buy Tadgem wallet too, I have a discount code CryptoChris with Y, not with I. You can use that promo code to get the discount, or either, guys, you can click the link and get straight to buy your Tadgem wallet. I recommend you guys 3 cards over the 2s. Okay, it's with cards, not with ledger or whatsoever. I recommend you to buy 3 cards instead of 2. some people prefer 2. I prefer 3. You're gonna be more safe, and you're gonna keep all your funds there. And I prefer that over even than keep the X wallet, because these wallets are vulnerable to be hacked. Okay, if you do some wrong moves, for example, I have seen some people that took their laptops and enter from a hotel rooms or from a public Wi-Fi spot, and actually they got hacked. I have seen that lots of times, even in the MetaMask. Some guys had very similar situations that they logged in from Wi-Fi, public Wi-Fi spot, and they got hacked in a second phase. So the most safest for me is the cold storage, and I prefer Txbit wallet over the others. Okay, this is exactly what I would like to tell you. Do not leave any kind of crypto, not only Kaspa, any kind of crypto, Bitcoin, if you have altcoins or whatsoever, move these funds into cold storage. Do not leave your funds, your cryptos into crypto exchanges, because it's not yours. I have said these things also lots of times in my tweets. Put your cryptos into a cold storage, because it's really important. We have seen that in the past, people had all the cryptos into exchanges, and when like Celsius, like FTX, when these exchanges are actually shut down with no warning, you actually lose everything. But if you have your cryptos into a cold storage, no one can touch this. Okay, this is very, very important. Even guys, if you have your cryptos into exchange, and that exchange actually won't shut down, okay, won't shut down, it will exist forever. With a regulation from a government, this can restrict you to do some regulations, to follow some. For example, they can tax you, they can do whatever they would like to do, because these crypto exchanges are actually centralized. It's like you having your money in the bank. It's not your ownership. Okay, so highly recommend it. I told that lots of times in this video, but I would like to spread the message, and after this video, to understand completely why it's important to hold your cryptos into a cold storage. Because with a recent Txbit example, I hope you will get also the lesson, if you are new here on this space, that this can not only happen in Txbit, but it can happen in every crypto exchange, like Mixi, like KuCoin, like Binance, like Coinbase, in everything. Okay, in everything. So stay safe, put your cryptos in a cold storage, and also we're about to see tomorrow what's going to happen with this current dump that's happening, which is looking scary for some people. For me, I hope to see some slight pullback more, because I'm going to buy heavily. And this is exactly what I would like to tell you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any question. I will be happy to reply that, and I will see you all in my next video. Until my next video, your boy Chris is out. Bye.